Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to Hilliard, Florida for the Cruising with Christ car show at the Hilliard Assembly of God. I think it's First Assembly of God car show. We didn't really know much about this car show going in, but it turned out to be a really good car show. This is going to be our car show cam. Not going to be a whole lot on it because we didn't actually participate in the show. We just went and looked and filmed it for you guys. Yeah, it was a really good show. Surprisingly, they filled up their parking lot and they had, I don't know, between 50 and 60 cars there. Yeah, it was really a good show. I don't really know much else to say about it. So I'm going to shut up now. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. I'm going to shut up. We're going to get you out to the cars. Let's rev it up for them hot rods.
That's a pretty good turnout, looks like, dear. Alrighty.
Damn.
Oh, it's right there in the housing development. They're burning a pile of wood, looks like.
Okay. Now the question is, I didn't see where they were having spectators park.
Looks like Angela Bingham's here.
Just fine.
All right, y'all come to enjoy the show?
Yeah.
All right, now just go ahead and turn that way, and park that way, and you'll see the rest of the cars in the back and everything. You just come in, and I hope y'all enjoy yourselves. All right?
All right, here. Man, he's gotten big. I guess. Where do you say park?
Back here.
Okay.
With these cars.
Alright. Not a lot of spectators.
Nope.
Yeah. Maybe we get in and get out pretty quick.
Yeah. Pickles.
Yeah, I don't have any deals left. I got 4 bread and butters. Or 3 bread and butters. Yeah. I'll go between the poles or this side of the poles, I guess.
I'm gonna go between them.
Yeah.
Just to making sure there wasn't no kid gonna run over here after that ball that's sitting there.
Yeah. Ed's done gone too.
Yeah. He don't stick around long anywhere.
Yeah, but he drove all the way over here for that little bit.
Yeah. I mean, at least we didn't have to come far.
Yeah. There's Lane. I got to decide what I want to do with the class reunion. Come on, he says.
Thank you. Well, have a good one.
Thank you. Hold up.
Alright.
See if I got one of your stickers here.
Thank y'all for coming. We hope y'all enjoy yourselves now.
Come get this. You a car fanatic? You'll like his channel. Facebook and YouTube.
Appreciate it. All right. So much.
Thank you.
Thank you. I heard him talking about wanting to, and I got falling on me.
I didn't do my live stream.
Oh well.
Shit.
Add your, well, don't worry about live stream.
I can't add it while I'm live streaming.
No, I meant just add commentary to your ride around.
I will. Okay, guys. Alright, everybody. That's going to wrap up this video from the Hilliard First Assembly of God Cruising with Christ car show. This was a great car show. Had a beautiful day for a car show. It was sunny. It was clear. It wasn't ungodly hot yet. We're heading into that, and I'm dreading it, and I know it's coming. But it was a beautiful day. They had a lot of awesome cars out there. I don't know how many they had out there. I'm going to say north of 50. It wasn't a huge car show, which was great. It was just an easy show for us. It was close to home. We didn't have to go traveling all off to go do it, which was kind of nice because we seem to stay so busy with car shows and other things, and the channel has grown to where it's beginning to bite into free time. Anyway, we really enjoyed the car show. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. We are at 358 subscribers. So we are clawing our way there ever so slowly, week to week. We pick up 1 to 2 to 3, sometimes 10 subscribers a week. Those 10s are rare and hard to come by. But any little bit helps. We're just trying to, you know, to take you out to the car show with us, so that you can see the car show if you missed it, or you would have a different car show, or whatever the case may be. We're trying to take you along with us to the car show and give you the virtual car show experience from the comfort of your couch. Anyway, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys out at the car show, whatever the next car show is.